Just coast right there. Let's see if there's anything in the middle of this water. Oh, right there, stop. Oh no, that's rain. Okay, just coast. Just coast. Just coast. Just point towards that. And then just let this line hit close to the bottom. Let's see what this lake has to offer. Hey, what's going on here? You're just getting rained on. Okay. Oh boy. What the heck? Is that RJ coming? Oh my gosh. We're getting rained on. Woo! This is awesome! It's raining. Unbelievable. It's summer, July. I don't even know. Oh, Kaylee, look at this spot. Why is it like this? Do you see the water? Yeah. It's like not moving at all. And I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Like, stay right here. Maybe there's... Whoa, listen to the sound. Hey, listen to the water.
Whoa, look at this floor. The water is blue.
Listen to the water. It sounds cool. Okay. Shh. Yeah. Okay.
You know it sounds like piranhas or something. You know those ones that go like piranhas or something?
Hold on, Kaylee. Don't move because I gotta unlock the car door. Hold on, okay?
Rain. I'm gonna go in the water over there.
1 second. I'm looking for the key. Don't move it, Kaylee. Okay, tell your mom. Okay, did it work? Is it working? It can't reach. Hold on. Hold on. Let me try my phone.
She said don't drop the...
Slow down, Kaylee. Don't move yet. Don't move yet. I can't lose. My pouch is open.
What was that in the... I swear I saw lightning. I thought.
Hold on. Don't move yet, okay?
Wait, is that thunder?
No.
Are you? You hear that noise?
Hold on, okay? Okay, it's on. Give it a second, it's gonna unlock.
Do you hear
Seriously?
I hear it comes from that side to this side.
Oh shit. What a day to go
Thunder!
on the lake and here in
Yeah.
Thunder. I don't have a single bite. What is this lake?
Put your phone away, right?
Yeah,
I can
yeah. I don't even get a bite.
go fast. I can hear.
I'm trying to get some fish in this Lake Cassidy and not a single bite. On a minnow or
Wait, isn't this the
power
lake
bait.
Isn't this the lake we went to though? But we are all the way over there?
Yeah, when we were riding the bike.
Oh gee, it's only 4 minutes to Dad. He just done that. Voila.
Yeah. Your mom wanted paddleboard. So we bought some paddleboards. From COSTCO. These are actually pretty good. They're a hybrid. Sit down or stand up
That's thunder.
paddleboard. You got foot pedals. You got fishing holders down in the middle here. In between the legs. You got a seat in the backrest. Not sure. But it's called Wave. Ah, it's so bad. It's Wave something. Wave yak. No. SUP wave. SUP-KAYAK. I can't even say. I don't have the box. And Kaylee's sitting on the name of this. Alright, slow down. Let it coast. Let me try to catch some fish. You know what? Kaylee, go by those little pedals over there. See the green area? I think the fish likes that area. Let me try. Let me reel it in real quick and let me try, okay? No, just chill. Just chill. Just chill. No, on the left. On the left. Let me just throw it over there. There you go. I'll just stay right here. Perfect. Let's just coast around that paddle, those paddles over there. Can you veer me to the left, please?
Huh?
Can you go to the left towards those lily pads, but not too close? Yeah. 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 No, that's all electric. Yeah. Oh, my battery's dying. To end the show here. Not much of a show. Because we're not oh, hold on. Where are you going? How am I going to catch a fish if we're going ashore? Right there. Stay right here. Kind of. You think we can
I don't know why Dad wants me to head straight towards these.
Because this is where the fish is at.
Yeah, this is where the fish are, but we're heading straight.
Not a single bite, man. Hopefully you guys get some luck.
Not a single bite?
No.
What are you fishing for?
I don't know. First time over here.
Never?
Yeah. I tried a little minnow and I tried a power bait.
Yeah, I haven't known trout to bite power bait in this lake.
Oh, there you go.
You're better off probably the crappie jig.
Okay.
It's pretty big in here.
Is that right? Oh, dang.
Pound and a half, 2 pounds.
Okay.
There's bass in here. There are trout in here.
Okay. So much for this power bait. Thanks. Yeah. We're usually at Flowing Lake and we do pretty good over there. Where's RJ? Yeah. Kaylee, can you grab these?
Stay right there, just so I can take a picture. Just wait.
Here, you can just keep everything over there now. Here, give this to your mom. Here. The key is in here. Don't drop it. Hold on, can you help me? I can't see. There you go. Careful, the key might be... Oh, it's in a Ziploc bag. Never mind. Are we done already? Oh, man. Kaylee, why am I facing this way? I was trying to go.
Look, they're in the water.
Well, yeah, they're launching the boat. Huh? It's in there, hon. There's a whole bunch of pockets in there. Alright, well, we're done. I didn't bring the good stuff. Here, Kaylee, take this too.
I'm in the water.
Take this to your mom. I'm gonna paddle with RJ real quick. RJ, make sure you don't get in the way of the boat. Hold on, I gotta unhook it.
Parts of it is in the water.
Okay. I know, right? Here, hook it back on and give it to your mom. We're going? Alright. Hey, can I get one of those paddles? I'm done fishing here. Hold on, Ars, let me catch up to you. Hold on. Here. Wait, take my pole. Here. Is there another paddle in there? Oh, switch me off, hon. Switch me off to the different paddle. I thought there's another one, like the handle paddle. No, the one with the handle. I thought it hooks onto that. Ah, it's okay here. It's okay here.